In this episode, we'll cover issues you might face while practicing drifting and how to avoid them. 1. Initiating a drift with excessive input, causing understeer. Turning the wheel too much or too quickly can cause the front tires to lose grip and understeer. Before initiating, control your rolling speed. Initiate the drift at a proper speed, then step on the gas to start the drift. 2. Underpower during the drift. If your engine revs too low or you're using the wrong gear, your car will quickly stop drifting. Use appropriate throttle input and the correct gear to maintain engine revs, keeping the rear wheels spinning at a steady speed. 3. Hitting the inside during the drift. Cornering too slowly makes it impossible to stay on your original line, leading your line to keep tightening. Over-throttling mid-drift can suddenly increase drift angle and kill your progress. Enter the corner at the right speed and use measured throttle to sustain the drift. These are the most common situations beginners face when learning to drift. Next time, we'll focus on throttle control for maintaining drifts. Got questions? Let us know in the comments.